Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Bread Financial. If you're not familiar with them, Bread Financial is a financial services company that offers a variety of products and services, including credit cards, personal loans, and home equity loans. But how is Bread Financial doing? Well, that's a good question. And that's exactly what we're going to find out in this video. Before we get into the details, let's take a quick look at Bread Financial's history. The company was founded in 2005 as a joint venture between GE Capital and Capital One. In 2019, Bread Financial spun off from GE Capital and became an independent company. Since then, Bread Financial has been growing rapidly. The company has expanded its product offerings and its customer base. Today, Bread Financial has over 10 million customers and is one of the largest credit card issuers in the United States. So, how is Bread Financial doing financially? Well, the company has been reporting strong results in recent quarters. In its most recent earnings report, Bread Financial reported net income of $1.2 billion for the first 9 months of 2024. This is a significant increase from the $843 million reported for the same period in 2023. Bread Financial's stock price has also been on the rise. The company's stock is currently trading at around $60 per share, which is up from $40 per share just a few months ago. So, what does all of this mean for Bread Financial investors? Well, it's a good sign that the company is doing well. Bread Financial has a strong track record of growth and profitability. And with the company's continued expansion, there's reason to believe that this growth will continue in the future. Of course, there are always risks associated with any investment. But overall, I believe that Bread Financial is a good investment for those who are looking for a growth stock. Now, let's take a closer look at some of Bread Financial's key products and services. One of Bread Financial's most popular products is its credit cards. The company offers a variety of credit cards, each with its own unique features and benefits. Some of the most popular Bread Financial credit cards include the Bread Cashback Card, the Bread X Card, the Bread Pay Credit Card. Bread Financial also offers a variety of personal loans and home equity loans. These products can be a great way to get the money you need for a variety of purposes, such as home improvement projects, debt consolidation, or a new car. In addition to its financial products, Bread Financial also offers a number of other services, such as identity theft protection, credit monitoring, fraud protection. Bread Financial is committed to providing its customers with a variety of products and services that meet their needs. The company is also committed to providing excellent customer service. So, if you're looking for a financial services company that can meet your needs, I encourage you to check out Bread Financial. In addition to the information I've shared with you today, I would also encourage you to do your own research on Bread Financial. You can find a lot of information about the company on its website and in other online resources. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.